Continuing from our segment on Triphala, we now explore the potential mechanisms involved in the modern-day view of the phenomenon known as the gut-muscle axis in a holistic overview. Does the gut influence muscle? Ancient sciences and holistics are rooted in that our entire physiology is a sum total of several parts. Therefore, we must consider physiology as a whole, rather than as entirely independent mechanisms that are unrelated to one another. An individual's physiology is both directly and indirectly interconnected, and we can suggest that this forms a basis for the potential of a gut-muscle axis. These interconnected relationships of our physiology is increasingly relevant in health and well-being today. Another example of this is the recognized gut-brain axis. In holistics such as Ayurveda, the gut is viewed as the engine of our body-mind energy system. This is because the gut supplies essential energy from nutrients to our entire body, including the muscles. It also has the capacity to create its own regenerative medicine, which triggers healing mechanisms. Therefore, it is equipped with self-healing capabilities, all of which keep us well. Furthermore, the body's inherent capacity to heal is significantly influenced by diet and lifestyle. Supporting gut balance through proper nutrition, suitability-based fasting, subject to correct method, and lifestyle practices can enhance resilience, promote better overall health, and importantly, substantially contribute to muscular sophistication. These are factors interlinked with the gut and muscle relationship. Similarly, Chu et al. 2023 state that the gut-muscle axis illustrates how gut microbiota influences muscle mass, quality, and function. Muscle serves as the largest consumer of ingested glucose and plays a pivotal role in homeostasis, with significant anabolic and catabolic functions. Additionally, that short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, produced during fiber fermentation in the gut, are crucial for maintaining the integrity of the gut barrier and regulating inflammation. Here's an example. The beta-glucan fiber in oats may trigger short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs. It is also suggested that when systematically done, exercise also positively modulates gut microbiota biodiversity, thereby enhancing overall gut health. Next, we consider some of the several ways in which the gut microbiome may indirectly influence muscle. Firstly, its inherent potential for self-generated medicine and therefore its healing capacity. For example, the gut can generate its own natural antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, protecting muscle integrity and preventing chronic issues. These are sort of regenerative agents produced by the body like antioxidants, endocannabinoids, and others. Additionally, the production of various metabolites, including SCFAs, contributes to gut health and inflammation regulation, which may impact muscle development and maintenance. Subsequently, prebiotics can support the body's natural probiotic activities, with various environmental factors influencing the balance of beneficial bacteria. The type of food consumed is crucial in supporting overall physiological health. Here, we specifically refer to a balanced natural diet consisting of real, whole foods, rather than synthetic or highly processed substances. Subsequently, Wallace, 2020, details that a balanced and diverse microbiome is essential for maintaining health and immunological balance, as diet can swiftly alter gut microbiome composition. For instance, Wallace suggests that a Western diet high in meat can lead gut bacteria to produce trimethylamine, TMA, which is converted by the liver into trimethylamine N-oxide, TMAO, elevated levels of which are associated with an increased risk of heart disease. This suggests that source, frequency, and amounts of particular dietary proteins matter in creating long-term well-being, especially for bodybuilders where protein is required in bigger amounts. Therefore, muscle has a larger role and is not limited to aesthetics alone. In addition, reputable sources reaffirm the holistic view, highlighting that diet and physical activity levels have a significant influence on gut microbiota biodiversity. Moderate exercise offers numerous benefits and stimulates physiological adaptations, while excessive exercise without proper regenerative measures can lead to inflammation, nutrient deficiency, and muscle loss. A low-carb, high-fat diet may hinder exercise performance compared to a high-carb diet. Here, we define high-carb as referring to high-quality, complex carbohydrates rather than refined, highly processed ones. Therefore, appropriate regeneration after exercise is an important element in training adaptation for both the gut and muscle. An imbalance within gut bacteria called phyla can disrupt the gastrointestinal environment and lead to various health imbalances. In addition to the gut itself, a favorable gut environment also facilitates the production of self-generated nutrients. Another crucial role of microbiota is in the production of vitamins. It is suggested that the microbiota plays a vital role in the synthesis of essential vitamins like folates, riboflavin, B2, cobalamin, B12, and vitamin K. These B vitamins are crucial for the anabolic processes in myocytes, which are the cells responsible for muscle repair and growth. The production of these vitamins is important for several metabolic functions, including DNA replication and repair, nucleotide synthesis, and amino acid metabolism. For muscle tissue, this means that these vitamins support not only the building and maintenance of muscle mass, but also the recovery after exercise. Furthermore, adequate levels of B vitamins assist in regulating energy metabolism, enhancing performance during workouts, and facilitating muscle recovery. A deficiency in these vitamins can lead to impaired muscle function, decreased energy levels, and increased fatigue, ultimately hindering muscle development and overall athletic performance. Therefore, maintaining a healthy microbiota is essential for supporting muscle health and optimizing physical performance. This does not suggest that we should start loading with vitamins, but rather recognize that the gut is a major contributor to muscle and overall well-being. Preferably, deficiency should be addressed holistically and sustainably, resulting in a net positive outcome. To conclude, the gut-muscle axis is, in essence, complex. However, diet and lifestyle practices play a significant role in holistic bodybuilding and overall well-being. In this case, adaptogenic agents such as Triphala, Amla, and Tulsi may offer therapeutic advantages. Subject to individual suitability and individual health status.